In this video, let us see how we can delete our public links on Google Gemini. So let's see. At first, we'll go to Gemini. We already logged into our Gmail ID. So when you'll click here, you'll get some options to access your public links. So what is a public link? Maybe you shared any of your Gemini chat with anyone else or any image using the share button. So that is your public link. To access and delete it, click settings and help on the left. Here your public links is visible, click on it. Okay, so here it is. You can directly click delete all links and these are the links available. So I created this and shared it, so it created my share link. The dates are also visible. You can directly copy the public link or you can delete all the links. Just click delete here and delete them or delete all of them using this. Okay, under the search results also these won't be visible after deleting. For a free generative AI tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.